muscles of back of the forearm. They have total 5 muscles. Supinator, abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus, extensor indicis. The origin and insertion of all the muscles. First, the origin of the supinator. The origin of the supinator is on the lateral epicondyle of humerus, the annular ligament of the radial and the ulnar joint. It is present on the supinator crest of the ulna and depression anterior to it. It gets inserted on the upper 1/3 of the lateral surface of the shaft of the radius. The abductor pollicis longus. The origin is on the radius, posterior surface of shaft of the radius and the ulnar bone. And the insertion of the abductor pollicis longus as it abducts the thumb, so it will be present on the first metacarpal. Next is the extensor pollicis brevis. The origin of the extensor pollicis brevis is on the radius, is on the shaft of the radius. These 3 muscles all are radius. This one is origin is both ulna and radius. And the insertion of the extensor pollicis brevis is on the base of the proximal phalanx of the thumb. As it is brevis, it is short, so the insertion will be here. But for longus, it will be long, so it will be on the insertion of the on the distal phalanx of the thumb. The extensor pollicis longus, and the extensor indicis, both the origins are present on the ulnar bone. Extensor pollicis longus and the extensor indicis. The insertion of the extensor pollicis longus, it is long, so it will be on the distal phalanx of the thumb, and indicis will be on the extensor expansion of the index finger. This is the radial nerve. The radial nerve pierces the supinator muscle, and the deep branch of the radial nerve becomes the posterior interosseous nerve. All the deep muscles are supplied by this posterior interosseous nerve. The function of the supinator is supination of the forearm and the elbow is extended. The function of the abductor pollicis longus is abduction, so extending and abducting the thumb. Then the extensor pollicis brevis, extensor of the metacarpal phalangeal joint of the thumb. Then the extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus will be distal phalanx of the thumb, and the extensor indicis will be extending the index finger.